हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग, नमस्कार, हैप्पी दिवाली। आप सभी को दीपावली की बहुत बहुत बधाई। टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट a new topic, explanation of rubric from Boric repertory. Explanation of rubric from Boric repertory. Number 1, coma vigil. Extreme dementia with cortical white matter degeneration. Extreme dementia with cortical white matter degeneration, which may accompany apparently uncomplicated head injury. Coma, a state of unconsciousness from which the patient cannot be aroused even by powerful stimuli. Lascivious furor. This disease comes on with melancholy, lascivious casting about of the eyes and frequent singing, and as it increases the face becomes red and flushed, and the woman makes use of libidinous gesture and speeches, and show an immoderate desire for coercion. Assassinated, a murder by surprise attack, to murder by surprise attack as for political reason, to destroy or injure. Erotomania, excessive sexual desire. Lipomania, the suicide wave called the leap mania, involved many people jumping off the roof together due to extreme pathological mournfulness. Monomania, pathological obsession with one idea or subject, latent concentration on or exaggerated enthusiasm for a single subject. Frolicsome, full of high-spirited fun, frisky and playful. Misanthropic, characterized by a hatred or mistrustful scorn for humankind. Taciturn, habitually untalkative. Sullen, sluggish, slow. Propensity, an innate inclination, a tendency. Bright disease is a historical classification of kidney diseases that would be described in modern medicine as acute or chronic nephritis. Asthenia, weakness, lack of energy and strength. Seborrhea is the same name given to excessively oily skin. Crusta lactea, seborrhea of the scalp of nursing infant. Phavus, a chronic skin infection, usually of the scalp, caused by fungi of the genus Trichophyton and characterized by the development of thick yellow crust over the hair follicles. Maldemer, Maldemer, seasickness, nausea, produced by motion in a vessel on sea or ocean. A hordeolum. Hordeolum is a common disorder of the eyelid. It is an acute focal infection, usually staphylococcal, involving either the glands of Zis, that is external hordeola or sties, or less frequently the meibomian gland, that is internal hordeola. Hypopion keratitis, epiphora, and excessive tear production, usually a result from an irritation of the eye. Penis is a medical term for an abnormal layer of fibrovascular tissue or granulation tissue. Common site for penis formation include over the cornea, over a joint surface. Sclerotica, affected or marked by sclerosis. Ugena, a discharge of fetid matter from the nostril, particularly if associated with ulceration of the soft part and diseases of the bone of the nose. Syphilis, a cutaneous eruption due to syphilis. Uplis, a swelling of the gum, usually as a result of fibrous hyperplasia, a cyst on the underside of the tongue caused by the obstruction of a duct of a salivary gland. Rick's disease, inflammation of the tissues surrounding and supporting the teeth. Sods, made dark incrustation on the lips and teeth of patient with prolonged fever. Peritiphylitis, inflammation of the connective tissue about the cecum. Glut, inflammation of the urethra characterized by a mucopurulent discharge. The discharge that is characteristic of this inflammation. Ugena, a chronic disease of the nose characterized by a foul-smelling nasal discharge and atrophy of nasal structures. Hydrometra, the accumulation of thin mucus or thin watery fluid in the uterus. Physometra, distension of the uterine cavity with air or gases. Morphea, a condition in which there is connective tissue replacement of the skin and sometimes the subcutaneous tissue with formation of firm ivory white or pinkish patches, bands or lines. Nevus, any localized area of pigmentation or vascularization of the skin or eye tissue, usually benign and congenital. Lentigo, a flat brownish pigmented spot on the skin due to increased deposition of melanin and an increased number of melanocytes. Miliaria, a cutaneous condition with retention of sweat which is extravasated at different levels in the skin when used alone. Pityriasis, pityriasis, infestation with lice, especially crab lice, pediculosis, prairie itch, an infection of the skin attended with intense itching which is observed in the northern and western United States, also called swamp itch, winter itch, etc. Prurigo, a chronic inflammatory disease of the skin characterized by the formation of papules and intense itching. Rhinoscleroma, a rare disease of the skin characterized by the development of very hard, more or less flattened prominence appearing first upon the nose and subsequently upon the neighboring parts, especially the lips, palate and throat. Roseola, a feverish condition of young children that lasts for some 5 days, during the last 2 of which the patient has a rose-colored rash. It is caused by the human herpes virus. Rupea, an eruption upon the skin consisting a vesicle with inflamed base and filled with serous, purulent or bloody fluid which dries up, forming the blackish crust. Scleroderma, a chronic progressive disease most common among women, characterized by a local or diffuse thickening and hardening of the skin. Scrofula, tuberculosis of the lymphatic gland, also called the king's evil. Scrofulus, a disease especially common among children, sometimes associated with intestinal disturbance and characterized by a papular eruption of the skin, also called red gum. Sudamin, minute vesicle surrounded by an area of reddened skin produced by excessive sweating. Tinea faevosa, a fungal infection of scalp usually caused by Trichophyton solani, characterized by round yellow cup-shaped crust having a peculiar mushy odor, also known as tinea faevosa. Trichophytosis, a fungal disease of man and animal, and one of the trichomycosis. The causative agent are fungi of the genus Trichophyton, which affect the skin, hair and nails. Whitlow, any pushy inflammation of the end of a finger or toe. Mediterranean fever, brucellosis or Malta fever or undulant fever. Sinocal fever, a continuous fever. Morvan disease, a form of syringomyelia with tissue changes in the extremities such as a paresthesia of the forearms and hands and progressive painless ulceration of the fingertips. Morphinism, a diseased condition caused by habitual or addictive use of morphine. Rest of rubric continues in next video. You give me any comment or suggestion. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.